Hey guys, so I am so excited. My Body Complete RX has arrived finally. This is an unboxing video, but I've already cut it open because my address is over here and y'all don't want to come see me. So anyway, so it arrived in this box marked fragile. Thank you very much. And I'm so excited. Okay, we got a little protective paper there. Notice I am wearing gloves because shipping, so you want to be careful. Okay, so they have a card in here asking me to do exactly what I'm doing right now, so we're already off to a good start. So this is the Slim ER protein powder, totally vegan. This is the vanilla flavor. It is sealed, so we're thankful for that. All I need is a scoop of protein, 8 to 10 ounces of water, and there's no added sugars in this, so we are excited to get started. This is what's kicking off my weight loss journey. Okay, also we have the shaker. Ooh, and it's got all the days of the week on it, Sunday to Saturday. Okay, it's a nice size shaker. That's pretty big for a meal replacement, and there's also something inside of it. It looks like, I don't know if that's a shaker ball or something, some type of metal coil. And last but not least, I didn't get the whole kit this time. I'm just starting off. I am a Body Complete RX virgin, so I just wanted to start with the powder and the Slim ER drops. So these are the metabolism drops, so I'm excited to figure out if this will work for me or if I need to get the entire kit. I'm so excited to try this, y'all. There's just no words. I signed up for the restock emails because this stuff is in such high demand. It's almost impossible to get right now because of COVID. But I signed up for the restock. The restock happened. I was like right in the first minute that it went on sale. I ordered what I wanted to order and they were sold out in 3 hours. So, oh my gosh. So if you are interested in taking the Body Complete RX journey, I highly suggest that you get on the restock email list and just really jump on it when that happens. My aunt was trying to order it herself as well, and she put her items in the cart, and I guess she fell asleep or something. But anyway, she came back a few hours later, and everything was gone. So I feel so sorry for her. But they will be restocking in just a few days, so she'll be able to order. So let's take a look at the Slim ER drops. So these are the Slim ER drops, and let's see. There are 120 drops in this bottle, but when you use it, you're going to put 10 individual drops under your tongue and hold them for 20 seconds. So each time you use them, you're going to use 10 drops, and you do this 3 times a day. So don't get it twisted. This is not 120 days of product. This is 10 uses, 10 drops, 3 times a day. So you're using 30 drops a day here. So I'm excited to get started on these. I'm most happy about the fact that a lot of these ingredients they're not just totally foreign. I mean, you can Google any of this stuff, but a lot of their stuff, it reads well. It's not just, this long list of crazy lab ingredients. So that's one of the reasons why I really chose this. It says 20% of USP grade alcohol. Now that, I don't know. I mean, we about to be drunk. Like, I don't know, but we'll roll with it. One of the things that I love is that it has amino acids to burn fat. I am vegan, so amino acids are something that are essential to my diet, and so I'm glad that those are included. I took a closer look at the shaker. I opened it up. These little compartments here are for your appetite suppressants. So, when you do start, if you do decide to get the suppressants, you can just keep them here, keep them separated by day. And that way, when you shake it up, you'll be able to hear your pills in there and you won't forget to take them. And then also, this little doohickey was inside, and although I'm not 100% sure what it is, I'm just going to go ahead and guess that it's to mix the the powder together really well. So when you shake it, it gets mixed really well. So this is a cute little container. I am not aware if it's dishwasher safe. I am going to hand wash it just in case, just to be careful. And I have yet to know what this little part right here is for, but I'm sure I'll look on their website and figure that out. So here we go. It's time. Let the diet begin. All right, I'll check back with y'all. I'm going to do some before shots, and if I have the courage to share those, I will. But thanks, guys. I'll see you soon.